Santa!
Woo! Oh, Santa's worn out from delivering all those presents, boys and girls. You caught me taking a nap. I think I'm going to take the rest of the year off, but first, we've got to announce the winners from the last giveaway. Here we go. The adjustable rack system, Kenneth Bycenski out of Oxford, Connecticut. A worn winch goes to Kevin Vannoy out of Davisville, West Virginia. Francis Connors, you're getting a Fabtech leveling kit and shocks for that Super Duty. And Jody Baker out of Eagle, Idaho. I bet there's a lot of snow out there right now. You're getting the whole setup from Factor 55, Ultra Hook, Sock Shackle, you name it, we're sending it. That's a wrap, boys and girls. It's been a great Christmas season. We've loved the giveaways. We were so happy to bring all the family of brands into the contest this year, and we're looking forward to doing it all again next year and making it even bigger and better. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!